Hi friends! Today we are gonna keep working on fractions. Yeah, even if I don't have my fractions here, we are gonna work on that. Maybe you think that is because this is a half. No, this is not a half. This will be a number line. It's going to represent a number line. So we are working today is an important concept that is something new for you. So I want you to be watching carefully and listening so good to me. Okay? I will try to do it as fast as I can. The materials you are going to need are this can be a piece of paper in a plastic sheet, in a protector. I'm gonna use my whiteboard. You can use also a whiteboard, or well, you will see how the activity is, but you will need one pipe cleaner or just a cord, maybe a piece of wood, and some beads. If you don't have beads, you can use another tiny thing. It's a good idea that you can put it inside the cord or the pipe cleaner, so maybe a button, something like that. And I'm gonna use these domino pieces this is going to be like my random fraction generator, okay? But you can use the one that you have in Canvas. I put it one digital one, okay? So we are going to represent fractions in a number line, and this activity is related with the activity you did yesterday about the fraction strips. So if you miss the fraction strip activity, maybe stop the video and do the activity first. Not sure. But it's ideal if you already did the fraction strip work. Okay? So I'm gonna put a piece of my domino here. Sorry, and another thing. You can use these materials that I'm going to use, or if you have a printer at home, or if you try to do it this way and you feel that you are a little lost, maybe it's a good idea to use the printouts you have in Canvas. It's more crafty activity. You will need to put the pipe cleaner here and generate your fractions to show where your fraction is. Well, I'm gonna explain you, but you have two options to do this work. So let's discover my fraction. That's good. I have one. I need to put the biggest number on the bottom and the greatest on the top, because like that is a possible fraction. It's like in the subtractions. The numerator needs to be smaller or the same than the denominator. So I need to represent 1/3 in a number line. How can it be possible? What I'm talking about? Okay, you need to imagine that this is your number line. It starts in 0 and goes until 1. So this will be your whole 1 centimeter, 1 inch, 1 feet long, whatever, or 1 whiteboard. Okay, 1 whole. But I need to represent 1/3. So the first thing that I need to think is that I need to divide my number line into how many parts? How many parts will be the fraction? How many total parts? 3. Yeah. So I need to put 1, and you are gonna be doing estimation, because it's not gonna be, if you use a ruler, maybe you can be so precise. So now I have 1/3 that is over here Well, this will be 0, 0 third, but you don't need to write it. 1 third. The first third will be here. 2 thirds, and the third one will be 3 thirds. 3 thirds, when we have the same number on the denominator and the numerator, is because it's a whole. If you put 3 thirds together, you have a whole pizza or a whole cake. So I have 1 third, the second one, and the third one, and all together make a whole. Where is my 1 third? Cling! Over here. So done with the first fraction. Now let's start over. I know it's tricky. Another fraction. Wait. Poof, guys. Numerator 3, denominator 5. 3/5. First thing that I need to know is that I need to divide. Maybe I can use just a marker, maybe it's easier, and use the bead to put exactly where 3/5 are. Yeah, I'm gonna do it like that. So, in how many parts I need to divide my whole? Yeah, in 5 into 5 pieces. 2, 3, 4, and 5, more or less. So I have my 0. This will be like my first fifth, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So the whole. I'm going to leave it in there. So where is my third 3/5 in a number line? Fifths in a number line. Over here. Ta-da! Over here. You see? You can take pictures and send them to me because I'm gonna be the happiest teacher in the world. Another one. If you don't have dominoes, use the digital one. It's gonna give you the ideas. Jope, ¿qué pasa? 2, this is going to be interesting. 2 halves. So, in how many parts do I need to divide my whole? Into 2. Here I have my half and another one, more or less. So this will be 1/2. And where do I have the second one? This over here. That actually is my whole. And this will be like the 0/2. So where is 2/2? Right over here. Ta-da! You see? So sometimes what happens when we are measuring a whiteboard, we use fractions because we don't have, this maybe is 4 inches, 4 inches, no. Inches are harder for me. 9 inches and a half. So we use fractions in a number line so many times, and we need to know how to represent them. Let's do another one. And we go with level 2 for the bravest kiss in the world. I know it's tricky, guys. A ver, the biggest number on the bottom, numerator 5, denominator 5, numerator 1. So this is 1/5. Again a fifth? 1. How many parts I need to divide my number line? Into 5 parts. 5 parts will make the whole, 5/5 will make the whole line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is already drawn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Vale. Where is my 1/5? Over here, this will be 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, and 5/5. That makes the whole. So my bead goes over here. Ta-da! Vale. Do you think you are ready for level 2? Probably not. And it's normal. You need to practice these a few times to understand, kind of starting getting it. And you're gonna have some activities in Sabbath related with this concept and videos, so don't worry. Level 2, on Thursday, maybe after 3-4 fractions, simple fractions, you can start feeling that I already got it. I don't want to do it like that because I already got it. So what to do? Instead of just one piece of domino, grab 2. And we are gonna add them. Oh. This is so high. Espera. And if you are working with domino pieces and the numbers are so big, try again. A ver. Vale. So, biggest numbers, 5 and 3 make 8. And 4, 3 and 1 makes 4. So we are gonna work on the fraction 4/8. Vale. First thing that we need to think about is, in how many parts do I need to divide my number line, my whole? I need to find 4/8, but how many parts I have? 8 parts in total. So I need to divide it into 8. And if you do your fraction strip works yesterday, you will follow the same strategy. Find the middle, then do the fourths of the quarters, and then another time. Vale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfecto. Where is my 4/8? This will be my first 8, second 8, third 8, 4, 8, my fifth 8, and my 8. This is the whole. So where is my 4/8 that I'm looking for? Right in the middle. Done! Please make pictures. I love this activity. Do you want to try the last time? Venga. Vale. The greatest number on the numerator denominator. So 4 plus 3 makes 7. And 2. 2/7. Oh. How many parts I need to divide my number line, my whole, into 7? 7 is an odd number, so it's going to be trickier than before. But let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. It's not so accurate because you know that in the fractions all the parts need to be equal. But I think it can work. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. But where is my second? Well, my 2/7. This will be my 1/7, 2/7, 3/7, 4/7, 5/7, 6/7, 7/7. The whole. So where is my 2/7? Over here. Yay! Okay? That's all, guys, and it's not easy. So watch the video a few times if you need to and explore by yourself with the concept of a number line. Okay? And maybe you can use cards for this too instead of a domino, like one card here, one card here, and you flip them and you see which one is greater and you find your number like that to make it a little funner, not just, or start with one, not say, it depends on you. Okay? Send me pictures to make me happy, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.